Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to password protect your pages or your post on WordPress. So to do this, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the pages or the post you want to password protect. Go to post and click on all posts. And here select the post you want to edit. Click on edit. Now our post is ready to edit. On the right you can see this visibility is public. Just click on public. Just click on public and change this to password protected. Set a password here. And click on update. Now click on view post. And as you can see on the screen that this post is password protected. So you have to enter the password to see this post. Let me enter the password and show you. Now this post is unlocked. So this is how you can password protect your pages and your post on WordPress. If you want more videos on WordPress, you can check out my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.